This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Dahi curry. This delightful dish is a staple in many homes, known for its tangy and comforting flavors. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients, including about 2 cups of fresh Dahi, 2 tablespoons of gram flour, and a selection of aromatic spices. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious outcome every time. Now, let's prepare our Dahi base. Take about 2 cups of fresh Dahi and whisk it vigorously until it's perfectly smooth, with no lumps at all. Then, gradually add 2 tablespoons of gram flour, mixing continuously to form a uniform, lump-free batter. This step is crucial for a silky smooth curry. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder for color and warmth. Next, we'll create the aromatic tempering. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon each of mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and fenugreek seeds, letting them splutter. Then, add a pinch of asafoetida, a few curry leaves, and 2 sliced green chilies, sautéing for about 30 seconds. Carefully pour the Dahi mixture into the pan, stirring continuously to prevent it from curdling as it heats. Continue to stir the curry until it comes to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld together and the curry to thicken slightly. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Once it reaches your desired consistency, garnish with a generous handful of fresh coriander leaves and serve this delicious Dahi curry hot with steamed rice or warm roti.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.